Hello dear student, in this video we are going to discuss some examples from exercise 14.1. Let us see the third question to find the missing frequency. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of a children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. In this we are going to find the missing frequency. Now see here, the daily pocket allowance is given, that is 11 to 13, means some 7 students are getting the pocket money between 11 to 13 and so on. This data is given like this. This is in the continuous classes. So we want to find the missing frequency. For that we are going to use the direct method. So first we find the value xi, that is mid value of each class. Now 11 plus 13, that is 24 divided by 2, means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, you will get the 12. If you calculate by this way, you will get the mid value of 13 to 15 is 14. 15 to 17, 16. Likewise, you are getting the mid values respectively for the each class. Now, these are all are the mid values. Now, this number of children means frequency. We will denote it by Fi. Now, we use the formula for the direct method to find the mean. Formula is x bar is equal to summation fi upon summation fi. Now for this formula we want xi into fi or fi into xi. So we will find the product of fi xi for each class. Therefore xi fi is equal to, for first class, 12 into 7, that is 84. 14 into 6, again 84. 16 into 9, 144. 18 into 13, we will get 234. 20 into f, 20f. And 5 into 22, 110. 4 into 24, 96. Now for the formula we want the summation of all these fi xi. So we will find summation of fi xi equal to, we will add all this frequency and plus 20f, as it is not a like term. So sum of remaining number is 752 plus this 20f. Now we want summation fi. For that we will add all the frequencies. Numbers if we add, we will get 44 plus this one f, that is 44 plus f. Now put these values in the equation. Mean is given as 18. So 18 equal to summation fi xi, value is of summation fi xi is 752 plus 20f upon summation fi is 44 plus f. Now do the cross multiplication for solving for the f. Now 18 into 44, that is 792. For that 18 will multiply to 7 also, therefore plus 18 into 7, that is 187. 18f, 18 into f, 18f. Now we will solve this linear equation for the value of f. So 792 minus 752 is equal to 20f minus 18f. So we will get 40 is equal to 2f. Therefore f is equal to 40 upon 2 equal to 20. Therefore missing frequency is 20. Now let us see the another example, seventh example. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air, the data was collected for the 30 localities. So a concentration of SOS in parts per million. And we have to, this data is represented by this chart. We want to find the mean concentration of SO2. Now here classes are given and also frequency is given. We are going to solve this example by the assume mean method. So let us find it. First of all, we will find the mid values of each of the class, that is 0.00 to 0.04, 0.004. These all the classes are continuous. So directly we can find the fi and xi xi is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Now 0.004 plus 0.00 is equal to 0.4 upon 2. So it will be 0.002. The mid value of 0.04, 0.08 is 0.06, and so on. You can find the mid values for each class, that is 0.018, 0.022. Now these are the mid values. Now we know that assume mean method, formula for the assume mean method is x bar, that is mean, is equal to a, that is assume mean denoted by a, summation fi di upon summation fi. Now what is this di? We have to calculate. Now a is some assume mean. We can assume the any of the mean from the given xi, but generally we are taking the middle one. So here we are going to assume either 0.0 or 0.14 or 0.10. Here we are going to assume 0.10 as a. Now we want to find the di. Di is xi minus a. From each xi you have to subtract a, and that is your deviation di. So it is from, for first class it is minus 0.12. Now as 0.02 minus 0.14. Now 0.06 minus 0.14 is equal to minus 0.08. This is minus 0.04. This is subtracted, so it will be 0. Now 0.18 minus 0.14 is 0.04, 0.008, sorry, 0.08. So here we want to find the fi into di. So 4 into 0.12 is equal to minus 0.48. By multiplying, do the multiplication for each fi di. It will be 0.36, it will be 0, it is plus 0.116, it is again 0.16. Okay, now we will add the negative summation fi di we want to find. We will add all these negative term and separately positive term. That after adding it will be the minus 1.56, and after adding the positive it is 0.32. Now after adding this 2, we will get summation fi di is equal to minus 1.24. Now find the summation fi. After adding these all the frequencies we get 30, as it is the for 30 localities. Now x bar is equal to, assume mean here is 0.14 plus minus 1.24 upon 30. After doing the calculation, this divided, we will move that, divided by 3, we will get 0 minus 0.34 za and 3 1 za and 3 3 za 9. So we will get x bar is equal to 0.14 minus 0.413 divided by 10 is equal to 0.0413, and it will be get approximately equal to 0.0987. You can convert it into some approximate value again. X bar can equal to 0.0099 ppm. Let us discuss the question number 8. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. If you observe here, the classes are of different class width, but they are in continuous. So we will find the mid value for each class. For 0 to 6 it is 3, for 6 to 10 it is 8, for 10 to 14 12, 14 to 17, 20 to 28 24, and 28 to 38 33, and 38 to 40 39. Now we know that for the assume mean method, formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Now we have find the xi. Now for finding the a, we can assume any one of the as a mid value. Now here we are supposing the mid value 17 as a assumed mean A. Now we will find the di. Di is equal to xi minus A. Therefore 3 minus 17 minus 14. 8 minus 17 minus 9. 12 minus 17 minus 5. 17 minus 17 0. 24 minus 17, that is 7. 33 minus 17 16, and 39 minus 17 22. Now we want product of Fi di. So we will find the Fi di in the next column. This number of students are Fi. Now 11 into 14 with minus sign, that is minus 154. Now 9 into 10, that is 90, that is minus 90. 7 into minus 5 minus 35. 4 into 0 0. 4 into 7 28. 3 into 16 48. 22 into 1 22. Now we will add the negative values and positive values separately, so it will be easy for calculating. Now about sum of all these is minus, if we do the minus 279, the and sum of these all is plus 98. Now if you add minus plus, our answer will be negative. So FIDI, summation FIDI is minus 181. Now we want summation Fi. This is the data for the 30 students, so it will be summation FIDI is 40 students, so summation Fi is 40. Now put the values. A is 17 as we assumed, and FIDI is minus 181 upon 40. Do the division by the 4, so it will be minus 4, and we will get then 1 carry, minus 45 upon 10, and again 1 0.2, that is x bar is equal to 17 minus 45.2 upon 10. That is that removing that decimal point, we will get x bar is equal to 17 minus 4.52. So x bar will equal to 17 minus this one is 12.48. So 48, sorry. Hope you understand both the method, direct method and assume mean. Thank you.